This video will walk you through how to properly assemble the Tote picking cart. With its 3 slanted shelf design, this cart is designed to improve productivity and accuracy when picking orders. This video will walk you through how to assemble the cart and will break it down into key steps. The following items will be a part of the package to assemble your Tote picking cart. Part 1, 2, 3, and 4 as labeled here, as well as in our instruction sheet, and component A, B, and C. The included hardware will be used throughout the assembly of the cart. Use the cart instruction sheet alongside the video to best aid in part identification. In order to properly assemble the Tote picking cart, you will need the following tool: one 7/16" wrench. This assembly is expected to take 25 to 30 minutes for 2 people to complete. However, it can also be done with 1 person as demonstrated in the video. Step 1. Lay 1 end piece on the ground with logo facing toward the floor. Step 2. Insert bolts from underside through pre-drilled holes. Step 3. Place crossbar over bolts. Step 4. Place washer and hand tighten nuts. Step 5. Repeat steps 3 and 4 for each vertically pre-drilled hole, moving in a zigzag pattern down the frame, including the center support bars, except handle holes. Step 6. After all crossbars have been hand tightened, lay second end piece on top with the logo facing up. Step 7. Insert bolts through the end of the pre-drilled holes on the second end piece, except handle holes. Step 8. Place washer over the bolts and hand tighten the nuts. Step 9. Tip cart upright and tighten nuts completely using a wrench. Step 10. Attach handle to the side of the cart with swivel casters. Thread the bolts through the end piece, place washer, and tighten nut with wrench. The Tote picking cart with angled shelves is now completely assembled and ready to use. Compatible with 1.3 and 2 cubic feet pallet totes, 8-gallon refuse bin, storage bin, and Tote storage bracket, all sold separately. Before the conclusion of this video, we will also demonstrate how to assemble the Tote storage bracket in 7 steps. The following items will be a part of the storage bracket package: parts 1 and 2, and component A, B, C, and D as labeled here, as well as in our instruction sheet. To complete this assembly, you will need the following tool: one 7/16" wrench. Step 1. Insert top crossbar into platform. Step 2. Attach bolts to connect. Step 3. Add washers and nuts. Tighten nuts completely. Step 4. Remove bolts, nuts, and washers from the bottom holes of the vertical uprights on the opposite side of the handle. Step 5. Align holes of storage rack with holes on the cart the hardware was removed from. Step 6. Attach with bolt D. Step 7. Attach washers and bolts. Tighten completely with wrench. You have now assembled the Tote picking cart with storage bracket. Thank you for choosing Rubbermaid Commercial Products.